How's it guys, it's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is a 2012 Toyota Camry SE with 170,000 miles, and today I'm going to do a brake flush. So let's do this. Put this right here. So we're gonna do right rear, right front, left front. Pads look okay. Oof. Check it. Dot three. Oh shit, too much. Dang it. This is my brake bleeder tool. See that ball bearing? That's the check valve. Simple. Alright. Pull this off. If I can. What's that? Size 8. Then lock ring. It's flowing already. It's all the way in the bottom right here. We'll do 30 pumps. That's 15. Pumps already. Let's check the fluid. All the way down right here. Good. That looks good already. It's 50 pumps. Loosen it up. Just like that. The fluid. It's good. Pump it. Nine, 30. It's 30. 10 more. Good. Tighten it up. Out. Oh, yeah, that's good. Now put back the tires and we'll do the front. Now, passenger side. Open. Pull it up. All the way up. Good. Let's go to our side. This. Open it up. Add more here. We'll do 20. Alright, that's 20 pumps. Tighten it up. Sure this is full. It's empty already. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's good. Put back the tires and then test drive. good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace, everybody. Cut.